back to the Home Stitchery Decor YouTube channel. I sell modern farmhouse home decor right here from my basement in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. Sometimes I teach the crafty stuff, sometimes I teach the business stuff. You're welcome to stay for both. But in today's news, I'm going to tell you about the new stuff. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So a little bit of a story. I started my business with selling at little school craft markets. And then I took all of that, the exposure from that, and I applied to larger markets. And now I am in the two biggest farmers markets within our city. You don't get any bigger than that as far as farmers markets in the city. So I'm super happy to be doing that. But then I also wanted to be in the largest Christmas market in the city, which is the Spruce Meadows International Christmas Market. If you're familiar with horse jumping, you may have seen Spruce Meadows on the television. It's a ginormous facility and they host international show jumping on like a grand scale, right? So think Olympic show jumping, but then on steroids. So this place is 5 minutes from my house. It is a very sought after market to get into. The foot traffic should be about 75,000 people for the Christmas market. So I'm going to have a large booth there. And as much as I'm excited about doing markets, I also get a lot of exposure at these markets for other things. And then residual sales that keeps me going throughout the year. So as I'm growing and scaling my business, I also want to grow and scale my products. And in order to have enough products to go off to the Spruce Meadows International Christmas Market, I'm going to keep saying that, I needed to figure out a way to increase my inventory. And if you've been here for a while, maybe you've heard me talk about having my own textile designs for a while, which I do. And now I've taken it to the extreme of not only do I sell those designs on print-on-demand products on my Etsy store, which you can find at the Home Stitchery Decor Etsy store. You can't find any of the handmade stuff on the Etsy store right now. Maybe I'll change that in the future, but right now it's just my textile designs on products that ship direct to your house. And then I needed to scale that even further. And so this is my very first product that I am getting delivered to my house here. So this is a sample product from madeinchina.com. So there's certain levels of crafting, right? So when you first start crafting, you go and get your craft supplies at the craft store and you make and sell what you can. And then you start trying to find wholesale options for getting your craft supplies. And you may have even stepped it up to AliExpress. Now, AliExpress will sell you, a meter of ribbon. And they'll say you have to order 5 meters of this ribbon or 5 yards of this ribbon, and they'll charge you, say $1.25 for that ribbon. Made in China will sell you the same ribbon. They will charge 25 cents a meter or a yard for it, but then you need to buy 5,000 yards. So that's the level that I'm hoping to get to next as I'm scaling my business. And I want to source quality products from quality vendors. And so this is the first thing that I've ordered, and it came direct from Made in China. I had to pay for the sample. And then once you've ordered the sample, then you can go ahead and work with the, the manufacturers there right in China. So it's a website that's open to the public. Anybody can do this. It's no big, international secret or anything. You just need to be at the level that you want to, order 500 or something, or order 5,000 of something, and be willing to wait for it. They have several shipping options. They can ship it by a cargo carrier. They can ship it FedEx. And it just depends on the level of business that you're at. So I recommend starting with your local craft store and making repeatable products that you can easily repeat with repeatable supplies within the product. So now I make tea towels, all the cotton, the tea towels are cotton, the lace on it is cotton. I have a standard button that I use, and I use embroidery stitching. So I'm not changing out my products all the time. So this way I'm able to scale, and then I'm able to teach people how to make the products as well. So start there. And then for sure, when you get to that next level, check out AliExpress. And then once you're done with AliExpress, or even if you want to overlap with AliExpress, then you can step on up to Made in China. So I am super excited to see what's in this bag. I have no idea what the print quality is going to be, but this is my own textile design that is on a product in this bag. And so I'm just going to open it. It's not open, as you can see. So I'm just going to open it here live on camera right now. And we'll see. I mean, maybe it'll be crap and I won't want to do this. But if you don't order samples, then you will have no idea whether or not this is going to be a good enough product that you personally want to put your brand name on. So as you can see, this is red. Ha ha ha. Tricked you guys. Normally I do modern farmhouse home decor, but I also have textile designs for my business for dun, 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 Christmas. Oh my gosh, Christmas. So this here is a dish drying mat for beside your kitchen sink, and I own this design, and I am telling you, oh my gosh, I am actually thrilled. Ah, I'm thrilled. Ah, I can't believe it. Oh my gosh. Okay, sorry, I shouldn't be looking at this. I should be showing you guys, because once I turn off the camera, of course, I can show myself. I can look at it and ooh and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so this is my design. Now, this design can go onto a multitude of products. I was not expecting this quality of a product, and this is an absorbent non-slip dish drying mat that can go beside your kitchen sink. There it is. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I did it. I cannot believe I did it. I'm gonna have a minute here. When you start from nothing, when you start from absolutely nothing and start taking your business to the next level every single day, it is insane. And I was not expecting to have this much emotion over a dang dish mat. But how fun is that? Oh my goodness, how fun is that? The color is fantastic. So the textile designs that I do, I have a lady that works with me. She's from she's living in Poland, but she is from Ukraine. So I send her out you know, sample drawings of what exactly that I need, and then she puts those drawings into repeatable patterns, which you can put onto products across any platform. So you can use print on demand, and you can use AliExpress if you want and put this onto, say, a shower curtain, but you can also step it up and go to Made in China. So I am going to sign off this dang computer here and my phone and my video and everything today, and just take a minute to celebrate how hard I've worked to get to this level. So you guys, you can do it. You can do it too. I'm giving you all the information. Follow along with the channel. If you like stuff like this, hit subscribe, hit the bell button, leave me a nice comment, and you will see this product soon, very soon, on my website. And be sure, if you're in the area, to check out the Spruce Meadows International Christmas Market, where I will be displaying all of these products. Okay, I'm gonna wipe my tears. Let's go, guys. You can do it.